Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever asked yourself how to make a good Discord server, then you're in the right place. Setting up a Discord server is easy, but making it good, engaging, and successful is a whole different story. Most people create a server, invite their friends, and it just dies. No one talks, no one joins, and it turns into a ghost town. Today I'm going to show you how to make a good Discord server. One that looks professional, is well organized, and actually keeps people engaged. We'll cover server structure, roles, bots, branding, engagement tricks, and common mistakes so you can create a server people actually want to be a part of. Let's get started. The first mistake people make? Poor server organization. If your server looks messy, people will leave as soon as they join. Here's how to properly structure your server. Use categories wisely. Organize your channels into clear categories like announcements for rules, updates, and events, general chat for everyday conversations, gaming if it's a gaming community, support, help for questions, voice channels. Keep these simple, don't overdo it. Make a readable rules channel. People hate walls of text. Keep it short and simple. Respect everyone, no spam or self-promo. Follow Discord's TOS, use channels properly, set permissions properly, lock important channels so only admins can post in them. You don't want trolls messing up your announcements. Roles make your server feel professional and let people interact in cool ways. Here are some basic roles to add. Admin manages the server moderator, keeps things in check. VIP, special roles for trusted members, self-assignable roles, gaming, interests, pronouns, etc. Set up reaction roles. Use the reaction roles app from the Discord app directory so users can assign themselves roles. I've already made a video on how to make reaction roles on Discord. Link will be in the description. Bots save time and make your server engaging. Here are must-have bots. Me6 Dino, auto moderation, welcome messages, and custom commands. Reaction roles, so users can assign themselves roles. Giveaway bot, lets you run giveaways automatically. Dank Memer, adds a fun interactive economy system. Poll bot, great for community engagement. To add a bot, go to the Discord app directory, find the bot you want, and click Add to Server. A boring server with no visuals equals forgettable. Make your server look unique with these steps. Create a professional server icon. Use Canva or Photopea to design a cool logo. Set a custom banner. Adds personality. Boosted servers get animated banners. Custom emojis and stickers. Makes your server feel exclusive. Use proper channel formatting. Example: giveaways, gaming chat, announcements. A good server is active, but how do you keep people talking? Here are 5 ways to keep your server alive. Daily topics and polls. Ask questions to spark discussions. Host events, game nights, AMAs, talent shows, giveaways. Use an XP leveling system. Reward active users with special roles. Create private VIP sections, exclusive areas for trusted members. Encourage user-generated content, fan art, memes, guides, etc. Discord adds new features all the time. Here's what you should use. Stage channels, like live podcasts, great for Q&As. Community settings. Adds a welcome screen and better moderation. Announcement channels, so people can follow updates across servers. Don't ruin your server with these big mistakes. Too many channels, keep it simple. Too many equals overwhelming. No moderation. You need bots and staff to prevent spam/trolls. Ignoring members. Engage with your community daily. Complicated roles. Too many roles confuse people. And that's it. Now you know how to make a good Discord server that looks professional, is organized, and actually keeps people engaged. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.